Are you ready for this citrusy lemon cobbler? Melt the butter in a 9 by 9 baking dish by placing it in the oven for 3 to 4 minutes. In a mixing bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, salt, and sugar. Add the buttermilk, vanilla extract, and lemon extract. Stir until just combined. Pour the batter over the butter in the baking dish. Avoid stirring. Drop dollops of the lemon pie filling evenly over the batter. Bake until the edges are golden and the cobbler is set. Allow the cobbler to cool slightly before serving and enjoy this citrus-filled cobbler.